Ever wondered how to test your content before sharing it with everyone on Instagram? Let me show you how to post a trial reel so you can share it selectively and perfect it before going public. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your profile. On your profile page, tap the plus icon at the top. From the menu that pops up, select Reel. Next, you'll see your device's gallery. Choose a video you've already created or record a new one directly within the app. After selecting your video, you'll be taken to the editing screen. Here, you can add music, text, stickers, or effects to personalize your reel. Once you're happy with the edits, tap Next. On the next screen, write a description for your reel. Below the description section, you'll find an option labeled Trial. Toggle the switch next to Trial to enable it. Finally, tap the Share to Reels button to post your trial reel. Your reel will only be visible to non-followers and won't appear on your profile until you make it public. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.